Greetings, thanks for joining me. One of the biggest challenges after you strip all that super dark brown out of your hair, I keep putting light ash brown back into my hair and it just keeps washing back out. This is just too light for me. So since I'm putting color back in, I might as well go with an autumny color. This is Caramel Blonde 7.5 by Schwarzkopf. I'm going to apply it with my Sleek Shot brush. I always mix it in the container that comes in the box and then I put it into my little teacup. So I've got my ratty old coloring t-shirt on, I'm ready to go. I just combed out my hair and add the color cream 2A. There's a little twist off cap right here, which I'm gonna leave on. Shake it up. Ta-da! Ooh, let's see how high can I go? Whoa! This also comes with a pre-treatment that you're supposed to put on the ends of your hair, but I'm actually not even gonna use this. So I'm gonna start off coloring all of this and all of this, and then I'll start on the roots and go down this way. I'm just adding the color all around the perimeter of my hairline in the back first. Now that I feel that I've gotten the roots covered really well, I'm just gonna put it all into the hair that's all the back hair right here. So I'm gonna take this clip out. Ow, 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 clip is stuck. Ow! I'm gonna just saturate all of this hair back here now. I'm gonna start here and then work my way forward on the sides. When it comes to coloring my hair, I feel like I'm Messy Marvin. I don't know how to be neat at coloring my hair. Do you? I'm gonna start working on the top. I'm gonna go back to front. I'm getting close to the end, yay! And you got me like go. That's a pretty look, right? Sexy, I know. It's been 25 minutes. I decided I would leave this on for 25 minutes, run it through the rest of my hair, and then do that for another 20 since the color seems to be dropping out of my hair very quickly every time I wash it. That's how much is left after I did my roots. And I think it's gonna be enough to cover all the way through to the ends of my hair. So with my barely shoulder length hair, 1 box of dye was barely enough. If you have long hair, you're gonna need 2 boxes. Oh, and before I forget, I love how thick and goopy it is. Remember I said I'm Messy Marvin? With this, I feel like I was a little bit less messy. Used it all, every last drop. I'm gonna go around and put 20 minutes on my timer. I'm gonna wash this all out and then blow dry it, and let's see what we get. So I'm loving this caramel blonde color. I've received a lot of compliments, but my hair is still too light. And I wanted a little bit more contrast here at the root area. So if you remember from my dark chocolate brown to light ash brown video number 2, I tried the Schwarzkopf Igora 5.1 mixed with the 8.1. and it still came out way too dark. Again, Schwarzkopf Igora, but this is the 6.4. So I'm going to try mixing the 6.4 with the 8.1 and see if that keeps my hair from becoming too dark. Ordered both of these from Amazon.com, and this one came with the fancy little brush, and their 6.4 is dark beige blonde. So I'm gonna mix the dark beige blonde with the light ash blonde and see if I can come out with like a light brown base. Of course, I'm gonna mix that with my Schwarzkopf Blonde Me Premium Care Developer 6% 20 volume. I didn't want to bore you with the back and the sides, that's so boring. So I'll just show you how I'm doing this. Each tube of color was 2.1 ounces. So I had 4.2 ounces of color, and then I added a heaping 1/4 cup of the Schwarzkopf Blonde Me Developer. So that I had equal parts color and equal parts developer. And that ended up being the perfect amount to cover all of my roots. So I'm gonna leave this in my hair for 40 minutes, wash it all out, condition it, blow dry it, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Success, I finally found the right combination. So 6.4 and 8.1 equal parts, and then matching that with the developer. I'm gonna be bringing that through the hair. And I do wanna maintain some of this caramel blonde. I'm actually gonna use foil today, which is very rare for me. I just finished the back. This is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna start working on the sides. The back is tough. I'm just blindly slopping it on.
for miles just to get its taste. Must be love on the brain.
I just finished the sides. This is what it looks like now. I know I'm going to start working on the top from the back forward.
And they keep cursing my name. Cursing my name. No matter what I do, I'm no good without you, and I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain.
Most of the top is done. I just have the front pieces to go. We're getting close. Oh my gosh. Can you hear my stomach? It's going crazy. I'm hungry. This is taking too long. I need to eat. That one hurt. I don't know if you can hear it on camera, but man, my tummy's growing crazy. There, now I can, hair in the mouth. There, I think I got it. Now I can see you. I'm gonna blow dry my hair after I wash this out in 30 minutes, and then I'll come and show you my results. I did it. I succeeded at achieving my perfect light brown hair color. Finding the right combination was a bit of a challenge because that Schwarzkopf Vigora, it goes on dark. So 6-4 mixed with the 8-1 for the base, with the caramel blonde highlights, also by Schwarzkopf. That resulted in my perfect light brown hair color. Light brown, dark blonde, I'm not sure. To me, this is light brown. In my mind, when I'm thinking of light brown, this is what I'm thinking of. Maybe this is technically dark blonde, I don't know, but this makes me happy. Should I do a happy dance? Of course I should do a happy dance.
Must be love on the brain.
Originally, I was planning on rocking my caramel blonde highlights for autumn, but I am loving this color combination so much that this might just be the new Shauna hair color. Maybe I never found the right color for myself, and that's why I've been a hair color junkie for all these years. And now I've finally figured out the right color combination for my hair and my skin tone. I loved having you along for the ride. See you next time. Take care. Bye.
On the brain.